So one may ask, how do you know when you have all the rot out? How do you know when you went down far enough? Well, the thing is, you want to get everything you can. So at first you're pulling it out, it's coming out easy, you're pulling nails, then it starts getting harder, and then you resort to chisels and screwdrivers and hammers and start chiseling away, and at some point you're going to hit wood that when you pound in the chisel, you can't get it back out very easy at all. So also the color, you know, this looks a little, I don't like the color of that as good as I like the color of this and this. And over here, wood goes in stages, so you'll find the real rotten and then a little less and less and less. You really want to get down as far as you can. I've been working at this probably totally of 2 hours, maybe a little longer. I have it cleaned up now. I'm satisfied that I went down as far as I can, and I need to now start putting it back together. So the answer is, do the best you can to get every bit of it out. Get down to the good wood, the wood that you can pound a chisel into, but it doesn't go in very easy and it doesn't come out good. Same way with a screwdriver. I like to pull all the nails so they're out of my way as I'm going. In fact, most of the nails I can reuse even. You want to get down so you can pound into really good wood. Okay, so now time to put the puzzle back together. And you have to be creative at this point. I saved a few pieces that I broke out that are still good wood. I don't know if I'll use them or not. I have some more pieces cut, but either way I need to put this back together. Okay, and this isn't everything. This is a 5-gallon pail, and I did another half of one, so quite a bit of stuff came out, and it's just bad. It's sad it happened, but that was a underestimation on my part, underestimating the power of things coming apart, underestimating, well, I guess overestimating. Okay, let's get to work.